I was in Avon Park. I was in the center lane, and a car whipped out because there was a line of cars, and he whipped out in front of me, hit my passenger side, kind of threw me over into the other lane, and a Suburban creamed the other side of my car. So I was crunched in between. It was a hit and run. He took off. So, yeah. So my insurance had to pay. I loved it here. You know, I tried to do what they said, tried not to be, you know, bothering you guys too much, but yeah, I was very happy with it. I was surprised at the settlement too, so. I sure would. Any friends down here? I think you did a very good job. I really did.